Imagine a future where humans live, work, and thrive on the red planet, powered by game-changing technology that's pushing the limits of science and engineering. In this video, we're diving into the wildest innovations set to reshape Mars by 2025, from terraforming breakthroughs to next-gen robotic explorers and sustainable Martian colonies. What will it take to turn science fiction into reality? Strap in, because the future of Mars is wilder than you ever imagined. Creating livable environments on Mars is crucial for supporting long-term human presence on the red planet. Recent advancements in Martian habitats focus on comfort and sustainability, ensuring that future colonists can thrive in this harsh environment. Technologies like 3D printed habitats allow for rapid construction using local materials, reducing the need for costly supplies from Earth. Additionally, biodomes are being developed to create controlled ecosystems, providing fresh air and food. These innovations not only enhance the quality of life for inhabitants, but also pave the way for a self-sustaining colony, making the dream of living on Mars a tangible reality. As we delve into the futuristic transportation systems on Mars, concepts like magnetic levitation rovers and aerial drones are set to revolutionize travel across the Martian landscape. Magnetic levitation rovers will glide effortlessly over the surface, minimizing friction and allowing for faster, more efficient movement. Meanwhile, aerial drones will provide a bird's-eye view, enabling quick reconnaissance and mapping of the terrain. These advanced technologies enhance mobility, making it easier to explore vast areas and gather essential resources. With rapid exploration capabilities, we can unlock the secrets of Mars, paving the way for sustainable colonization and a deeper understanding of our neighboring planet. In examining the cutting-edge energy technologies powering Mars, missions and colonies, solar energy advancements and nuclear power options take center stage. Solar panels are becoming more efficient, harnessing the abundant sunlight on Mars to provide a reliable energy source. Meanwhile, compact nuclear reactors offer a consistent power supply, crucial for long-term sustainability. Sustainable energy is vital for supporting Martian life, enabling everything from habitat maintenance to food production. Innovations in energy storage and distribution, such as advanced battery systems and smart grids, ensure that energy is available when needed, paving the way for a thriving human presence on the red planet. Investigating the agricultural technologies that will enable food production on Mars reveals exciting possibilities. Hydroponics and aeroponics are key methods for growing food in the Martian environment, allowing crops to thrive without soil while using minimal water. These techniques maximize space and resources, essential for sustaining a colony. Additionally, genetically modified crops are being developed to withstand the harsh Martian conditions, ensuring higher yields and resilience. Emphasizing self-sufficiency is crucial for successful colonization, as it reduces reliance on Earth for food supplies. With these innovations, we can envision a future where Martian settlers cultivate their own food, fostering a sustainable lifestyle on the red planet. Analyzing the advancements in communication technologies for Mars exploration reveals significant progress. Satellite networks are being established to create a robust communication infrastructure, enabling seamless data transmission between Mars and Earth. Additionally, laser communication systems offer high-speed data transfer, overcoming some limitations of traditional radio waves. However, challenges remain, particularly with communication delays that can range from 4 to 24 minutes, depending on the planet's positions. Reliable communication is essential for mission success, as it facilitates real-time decision-making, coordination among teams, and the safe operation of rovers and habitats. These advancements are crucial for ensuring that our Martian endeavors are both effective and efficient. Exploring the role of robotics and artificial intelligence in Mars exploration reveals their transformative impact on our missions. Autonomous rovers and drones are essential for navigating the Martian terrain, conducting surveys, and gathering data without constant human oversight. These robotic systems can cover vast distances, reaching areas that may be too dangerous for humans. AI plays a crucial role in data analysis and decision-making, processing information quickly to provide insights that guide exploration efforts. By enhancing human capabilities on Mars, robotics and AI not only increase efficiency, but also ensure safer missions, paving the way for a successful and sustainable presence on the red planet. Mars exploration is no longer just science fiction. It's becoming reality. From cutting-edge habitats and transportation to sustainable energy and agriculture, these innovations are paving the way for human life beyond Earth. The future of space is happening now, and you can be part of the journey. If you loved exploring the future with us, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Smash that like button to support space innovation and share this video with fellow space enthusiasts. Want to dive deeper? Check out our other videos for more mind-blowing discoveries about Mars and beyond. Let's keep reaching for the stars together.